Economics. All right, welcome to our economics class. This is student affairs. In this class, we'll be looking at currency appreciation and depreciation. You've heard often that our currency has appreciated, our currency has what? Depreciated. What does that mean? Currency appreciation. Currency appreciation simply means the increase of the value of a particular currency in terms of another currency. Check it now. Currency appreciation is the increase in the value of a particular currency in terms of another currency. It's very practical example. If today $1 US equals 50 CFA, for example, after 2 days, $1 US now equals 30 CFA. What has happened to CFA? CFA has appreciated. Initially, it was 50 CFA to $1 US. After 2 days, you now have 30 CFA to assess $1 US. Understand now? CFA has increased, it has appreciated, it has increased in value. This is what is called currency appreciation. All right. Currency depreciation is the reverse. It simply means the decrease in the value of a currency in terms of another. So when you are talking about appreciation and depreciation in currency, there must be some form of a comparison. All right, this is appreciation. Now, if $1 is 50 CFA today, after 2 days, $1 is United States dollar, becomes 120 CFA. What has happened to CFA? CFA has depreciated. It means that the value of CFA has decreased. This is just a practical explanation of currency depreciation and appreciation. Increase in value of a particular currency in terms of another, decrease in value of a particular currency in terms of another. All right. When a currency appreciates, you discover that import will be cheap, export will be costly. When a currency depreciates, you discover that import will be costly, export will be cheap. Are you following? All right, you can take a screenshot. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. This is Student Affairs. Bye for now.